How's everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel, Real Life Dari Lessons with me, Val. All right, so today's lesson, we are going to focus on how to say and learn the days of the week. So Saturday to Sunday in Dari. All right. Now, before we begin, I just want to remind you, you are more than welcome to pause my videos and repeat the lesson that I have taught you, just so it can help you out. And then you can, of course, unpause it and continue along with me. All right, feel free to do that. There's no rush. The whole point of these lessons is to help you learn at your own pace, and you can stop the video whenever you like. You can pause it, replay it, and study along with me as I teach you. All right, so let's get right into it. So, days of the week. First of all, in order to understand the days of the week, we need to, number one, know how to say days of the week. And number two, understand the numbers. Now, in my last lesson, I taught you guys how to say 1 to 20. So keep that in mind, because in this scenario, when it comes to the days of the week, 1 to 5 is going to be really important. All right? And you'll see why. So, let's begin. How do we say days of the week? So, days, roza, rose. So, rose is day in Dari. Rose means day. Roza means days. Roza means days. Now, let me say the entire phrase for you. Rozai hafta. Rozai hafta, which means days of the week. Rozai, more than one day. Days, hafta, week. Rozai, hafta. As soon as you hear the I, rozai, the I, that means it's now not singular, but plural. More than one day of the week. Rozai, hafta. Okay? So that's how you say days of the week. Rozai, hafta. All right? Repeat it after me. Rozai, hafta. Now, I'll let you say it yourself. Ready? Excellent. All right. So, now, let's get right into it. How do we say the days of the week in Dari? Rozai hafta. Now, in order to know the days of the week in Dari, you do have to know the numbers 1 to 5. Now, do you remember in our last lesson, we studied the numbers from 1 to 20? But let's just recap and go 1 to 5. 1 to 5 was yak, do, se, char, panj. Okay? That was 1 to 5. Now, when it comes to the days of the week, you actually incorporate 1 to 5 from Sunday to Thursday. All right? From Sunday to Thursday, you actually apply the numbers that we have learned. So let me show you how. All right, so let's get right into it. Sunday, yak, shanbe. Yak, shanbe. You hear the yak, right? 1. Yak, shanbe. Sunday. All right? Yak, shanbe. Okay, I'm going to give you a moment to do it and say it yourself. Ready? Excellent. All right. Next one. Dushanbe. Dushanbe. Dushanbe, which is Monday. Dushanbe. Dushanbe. Now I'm going to give you a moment to repeat after me on your own. Ready? Go for it. Excellent. All right. Third one. Tuesday. Seishanbe. 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 So you hear the 3 there. Yak, do, se. Yak, do, se. Seishanbe, which is Tuesday. Seishanbe. All right, I'll give you a moment to say it on your own. Ready? Go for it. Excellent. All right. Now, Wednesday. Charshanbe. Now, if you already guessed that it would be char, excellent. Charshanbe. 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 Char. Remember that 4. Char is 4. Chorshanbe. All right, I'll give you a moment to do it on your own. Ready? Excellent. Good job. All right. Now, Thursday. Pineshanbe. 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 5. Remember? That pinch was 5. Pineshanbe. All right? I'll give you a moment to do it on your own. Are you ready? Go ahead. Excellent. All right. So, that brings us to Friday. Now, Friday is called Jama. 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 All right? Jama. Friday. Jama. I'll give you a moment to say it on your own. Ready? Excellent. Jama. Now, you're probably wondering, why is Friday not like the rest of the days of the week in Dari? Why does Friday sound different? Well, there's a reason for that, okay? There's a reason for that. There's a historical, religious, and cultural reason why Friday is called Jama, all right? And I will explain that to you soon. But for now, let's move on to Saturday. Saturday is Shanbe. 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 Saturday. Shanbe. All right? I'll give you a moment. I'll give you a moment to say it on your own. Ready? Go ahead. Excellent. All right. Now, before I explain to you why Friday is different and does not sound like the rest of the days of the week in Dari, let's go through Sunday to Saturday together one time. Ready? Feel free to pause this video if you have to go back and say it on your own. Ready? Let's begin. Yakshanbe. 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 Dushanbe. 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 Seishanbe. 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 Chorshanbe. 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 Pineshanbe. 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 Jama. 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 Shanbe. 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 All right. Excellent. I can hear you. I know you guys said it with me. Excellent. All right. So that is how you say the days of the week in Dari. Now, I'm not going to leave you hanging. No worries. You're probably wondering, why is Friday called Junma? Why is Friday called Juma and it's not the same like the rest of the days of the week? Well, there's a reason. Now, I'm going to play a video for you guys next explaining why Friday is called Juma. And yes, it is my voice. I've put this video together to help you understand the reason why Friday is called Juma. All right, here it is. Take a look.
In Afghanistan, as well as in several other Muslim majority countries, Friday is referred to as Juma or Juma. The term is derived from the Arabic word Jumha, which means congregation. This day is significant in Islam as it is the weekly day of communal prayer when Muslims gather for a special congregational prayer known as the Jummah prayer held at noon. The practice originates from the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, who emphasized the importance of Friday as a day for worship and gathering. In many cultures, the term Jummah is used to reflect the spiritual significance of the day, and it's a time when many Muslims engage in extra prayers, lectures, and communal activities. In Afghanistan, as in other parts of the Muslim world, Jummah is a time for community, reflection, and prayer, and this cultural practice and religious significance underlines the importance of the day within the Islamic faith. All right, my students, I hope that helped you understand why Friday is referred to as and called Juma.
All right, my students, I hope that was helpful and understanding why Friday is called Jummah. All right, so those are the days of the week. Keep in mind that the numbers 1 to 5 is important when applying it to the days of the week. As you can hear, Yakshambe, Dushambe, Seishambe, Chorshambe, Pineshambe, up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yak, Du, Se, Char, Pinch. Okay, so in order to know the days of the week, you have to know 1 to 5 at least, until you reach Friday and Saturday, which is Jama and then Shanbe. All right, so I hope that was helpful. Thank you for tuning in. I hope that this was a productive lesson for you. Thank you for the new subscribers and all the students who have just joined this community. I look forward to hearing your comments all the time. And if there's something you want to learn specifically, of course, leave it in the comments section down below. All right, Khuda Hafiz.